Abusiafo, two of my agents are dead. How Akumsin tried to kill me. These are not my words. These are the words of Naa Koryoo, the MP for Kaswa. Abusiafo, a higher Ghana and TV. You best say we best subscribe to the channel. No for my join cerebral comment section. Abusia, 2024 now. About one year call you. NDC edi ntro eni dada ewini abalo ene omu nyina omu tu estati ADD abusiafo Naa Koryoo, the current MP for Kaswa, etwa santro kese we etu hawakum seso ekotro ewo ni Facebook account so say hawakum sin tried to kill me. Sisia on yene ni kaseye ni agents baku mienu ewu ebusiafo sanda na ohu captain smart wa fasa sem no serious TV su ayiya hawa kumsi akansem fu etia mami we ene you see there was nothing like that. Hawa kumsi was never near anywhere there. Abusiafo, Ghanafuo kasa. Ghanafuo say, why should we even allow this woman to still be in parliament by this time? If this is what this woman can say about the fellow woman, actually say obetuma kumnipa, because nyamana waye no obi betuma kobu hawakumsi no bi betuma sha hawakumsi na waye no bibi because wa twan throw away agu nipa no so abusiafo Ghanafuo bebere say this is very, very wrong. This is dangerous to our country. This is dangerous to democracy. So the parliament house na mamiwe was siano. The speaker of parliament should suspend her kra. And I say pamu fi parliament hall because the oye no a bit to me the basa ye. And ya back mu. And I said near why ye no say yamfana nye example aye yine di efine the next election people will try to adapt to the same thing. A lot of people will adapt to the same nonsense na mami we ye. And this woman is a sitting MP. By this time I was say yempa abusiafo wonim say NDC party na nkasa no omu ye ntrofo iniama NDC for aka kujeto wa blackwa Sami Jemfimu name them. A lot of these people did a lot of dirty against the NPP. A lot of dirty against the NPP just to win power. Abusiafo say yamfa mami we anye example. The next election na ebebano. The ebebano it will be worse. This is why Ghanaians are saying say omuyi mami we ndi. They should use her as an scapegoat to serve the rest. Say we don't live in a country ube to sorry one day and cause fear and panic. And by this time the IGP should invite this woman, should arrest her because she has caused fear.
A person like that contesting to become member of parliament to say she has been shot at in a convoy almost at the person that utie ne kasana as I was what yes so be that na yentro apron la convoy ni poni convoy ni mo bi or parliament. Oh no, it's not cool.
So it comes back to what?
It is not
standards.
Cool. It is not cool.
Standards.
It is not.
The standards. Ghana for Muntio. Say you're careful. Partisan politics. Baby, I do many bakwa kotre. Yan slate to phone kobo. Mihulianka. Nanka akachire bebre. Mr. We are taking the peace that we enjoy in this country for granted.
Yes.
Debi adana share penadiano Ghana de shi intimacy Ghana de yame mai Ghana de say Mr. Man nada wo. Man nada because The air kusuna young person betia says there's a challenge ahead. We need to face it because you wake up someday, you ask yourself, so all these 24 years or 32 years we've been practicing. Yeah,
now only one interesting thing. Obia send me 7 December 2024. Facebook poster Phyllis Naa Koryoo Okuno Eye. 7 December 2024. How Akumsin tried to kill me. 2 of my agents are dead.
Obi. She's a member of parliament. She's a member of parliament.
Issues about around how Akumsin is anyway.
She's a member of parliament. You see, the pain is that when you have not been misrepresented or when your language has not been distorted before, what we are talking like this, no, don't tears you. But what maybe how Akumsin might have gone through.
Naa Koryoo. Edia na me titi, wo se dai. Wo se Honorable Hawa Kumsin wa attack you. What deny niya wo kan 2024. I quite remember 2024 7 December. Kran ube posti wo so 7 December na yeto aba. And I be posti sa de no. Ube posti wo so say Hawa Kumsin. You see, she doesn't respect one bit. Hawa Kumsin tried to kill me. 2 of my agents are dead. And I was like, wow. And I was like, that time, no man, I also cried me fear. That day when Pianko, and I was like, wow. I was like, hey, what is going on? And then the Abase would deny. Even when I was a victim, no campo refused to talk. Like seriously? Naa Koryoo, as a young lady, I was siswa. Who your politics are? Who for say that you person call him? Who for quite be brave so disrespecting mommy for no reason? Yes, be baby a mammy say I'm a munjaino. Who for quite be brave so disrespecting mommy for no fucking reason? Obi Bob Rockland a better work as well. Naa Koryoo accuse Honorable Hawa Kumsin. Obi sin a betua. Naa Koryoo accuse Honorable Hawa Kumsin. I quite remember incident be see ye bra asam to ye bra ba kubi. Naa Koryoo tried everything possible say. I didn't see and Hawa Kumsin name boys nibi, and it was intentional whatever. December incident be sense here. And also the same thing. You were trying to accuse this woman. And I'm a minim hoshe. And that day, Abbas say, what say? Mammy, ewa hifa. Abbas say, Nadia, who was say, Bibi sensi. Naa Koryoo, wo, Nyametia siampa. Nyame woti asiampa. Video in you.
One of the collective papers.
Muntie.
Which is IOPC. I went to testify first. I realized that there was a DA, which is our DA.
Muntie oh.
And the rest, the third point I complained about, they have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact, they shot at my car's separate head.
A few moments later.
2024 election violent cases, starting with Ewutu Senya East
Hey! Get away. Oda bompa na kache nyankopɔ se nyame mfa obɔ ne nkyɛw. Yeni na ye fom nipa, we are not perfect. Ma not the when na. Ni obetimi ye twanto kese a ebetimi di nipa kɔ jail. Ato nipa so. Eti se di woku nipa. Oda bompa na kache nyame se nyame mfa obɔ ne nkyɛw. Politics is not about killing her or destroying your opponent, and I said destroying your sister or your brother. No. When it comes to politics, we bet me a control in the platform. I'm was what person will be a candidate. I'm on the party up power, not to the sense say. We be trying to truck a CSA. Be trying to truck a CSA at the ato uniaso. ana sebi obi so yesi yemfa eche enhye kotodwo ni yemfa beti nso na didi hia onso wa pre awe no hu wa pre no hu obi abetena ka so city so 12 good years wo betena so nansan ya awu afi na 1 year mu na wo kui ohun kwa ohun wa nkofo ma ye ohun kwa press conference be 10 uka say easy being an MP ufo say easy one me sure say okotena fi out ukotena dem out me ka say honorable how akumsin ayade papa wayade papa wo 1 year mayo ohun say de wo si bre wo hun kwa press conference wo kwa wa nkofo first time show nkofo say de mo ye press conference against you uka say easy ye de nyame ase because ni amodwen fa maame no ho NDC for de mo power na mo ba ni na titru NDC titru power mo ba ni na titru na ye ono abo akumsin ho you guys was trying to everything possible sanka maame no mo de beto animguase mo but you see ye twen second one so besan aba ye nim se second nipa wo ho no mafa akoma panante wodi akoma panante ya obi be ye wo de wo do be ko adruso ye den obegu animu asese den nyame ebe ma wo ho afi how akumsin nyankopon is working
ebusiafo me say Ghana ha mo disrespecting how akumsin nyina you people should bow your head into shame. Some of the politicians, you people should bow your head in shame. Asemi ba ye bu how akumsin e wa ya waso ayi by election waso ya na ablekuma by election ya ntimpo se vice president awo yo ba ebe kasai ya ntimpo se vice president or yo ba be condemning se de mudi edi how akumsin enye maybe nsibiem yenya NDC community a friend is saying oba no so your deputy so your debe organizer e be gina mu ka say say maame ne de omobo na enye hwe yenya ma be sia mo be gina mu ena how akumsin e notorious ena how akumsin mu ade yenya mema bi mo be kan kwase akasa e kire how akumsin all of you should put your head in shame. Is that how to disgrace somebody's mom? Is that how to disgrace somebody's wife? How akumsin say 2024 election no ewo a UTV o se senka wanye nani adin a em senka ni ba ne kromu kun no how akumsin ne ba be ma ba ko pe o 2024 election nyame nko nkomu kun ni ba boy no eno de anye ayi dede amani pante ena Naa Koryoo you young girl a wo ba politics mu o de ntro na adi wanim kan ayi fa ne be kwa wiewiew mami a akumsin Mesimen kasa onyanyankopon so wo ko ntokwa ma wa you not even utter word ya me be ko ntokwa na asane tanoma papa ya obetina UTV e kasa gbe asane tano sa papa no so no ye komani brew sa papa no ti UTV ona ade bia obebetina show ni so a okeka nkwase asem sa no me see ye frɛ ha akumsi ko be papa ni dua said the okano say onim no okan ko nanka ha wakumsi ya mame awakum nanka senka obo asane tano dua obo ni dua krowe mu dua pope na ye adwuma ya mame awakumsi dia bo obo ni pa dua na ye adwuma eno ne obi abehu se amami wo kano kre etan se mame na mo dua bi enkwasiafo nyina bedi ha wakumsi atem asem nsu nya no kre asem nya no kre o ene ka so afo mu ayi awutu senya afo mu ye dede mo anye di antena mu a mo anye di antena mu na mu ye lisa mo ye demonstration juma ye bedi mu no mo nye din mo se Naa Koryoo na mo pe ti mo nye din or research awutu senya. You people to shut up how akumsin mom I respect you a lot you too how are you too